Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, good morning, wherever you are, and welcome to another session of Nigerian Stock Exchange Daily Market Review on what the chart says. For today, on Monday, 29th June 2020, one more day to the end of the month. All right, let's see what we have today. As usual, we look at the market summary. We look at the data, raw data coming from the flow of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Then we go on our chart to see the all share index to review the data coming there today. We look at the price versus the volume, and from there we go to the sectors. We look at all the sectors. Then today we'll be looking at some of the review some of the stocks, especially the stocks that are more active for today, the 5 most active stocks today, along with AIICO. All right, let's kick the ball rolling. Market today again 0.12%. That's positive. While the market closed at 24,858. That's about 30 index points. The deal today increased a little bit, but the total value is still the same thing. We have the same total value as what we had last Friday. So we have more participation from investors, but the value of the money coming to the market is almost the same or a little lower than Friday. The market breadth is not flat, but it declined. Yeah, I didn't change this. It declined because we have 29 stocks that fell today, while 18 rose from the markets. However, we have the market gaining. That means the gain came from these 18 stocks, while 29 declined. So the market, in terms of market breadth, is going bad. We saw Thursday last week and Friday being flat, but today is getting a bit worse. We'll review that and see what is happening. The short-term view that we're looking at over the weekend has changed momentum. Let's move forward. 5 most active stocks. Guarantee came first with over 17, almost 18 million volume, followed by First Bank, ZENITHBANK, LASACO, and UBA. Most of them are from the banking sector, apart from this insurance man coming in between. Okay, let's look at the 5 top gainers. Okomo with 10% change, followed by Curtis, 10% change, Nemet, PZ, and Fieldson. Fieldson coming last with 7.38. Before I move forward, we'll be looking at the chart of the 5 most active stocks. What are they having increased participation from the investors or traders? We need to look at them whether they are positive or negative. Okay, let's go to the 5 top losers. The first one on the list is Unilever with 10% change negative. Adova Oil almost 10%. Eternal also almost 10%. Nascon 8%. And the last on the list for the 5 top losers is NACO with 7% loss. Okay, 5 most volatile. Academy coming first. Unilever, Adova, Eternal, and NACO. So they are the most volatile stocks today. Let's move forward. 52-week high. Okomo. We need to look at this Okomo. What's going on? Looking interesting. I think came It came on the list somewhere last week as well. So opportunity might be coming here. Let's move forward. 52-week low. Sheller Rams ending with 2.51. Omatek and Deep Capital coming last on the 52-week low. So these are 52-week low. Any opportunity here? These are too small. I'm not bothered about these ones. Okay, other markets all around the world. In the US, we have the market increase by 1.5%. The same with UK, with a little bit of more than 1% increase, 1%. Germany also has a positive on the stock market. South Africa 40, almost 1% increase. Only Egypt on our list is negative with almost 1% as well. So that's what's happening in terms of data. Let's go to our chart and review the chart. Okay, we have the chart of the Nigeria Stock Exchange All-Share Index on the screen now. This monthly. Let's go to the daily. What is the daily saying? Let me remove. Yeah, today the market continues with the bullish candle, just as it closed on Friday. Yeah, that's positive. Initially, the bears dragged down, then we have it. The bulls coming in to end the market in positive. So, in terms of volume, do we have? Yeah, there's a better participation today, as we saw from the data. The chart also is reflecting it. So the volume is increasing better than last week, even though we had um, better bulls, market closing higher in terms of range. Was better last week Friday than today, but we have more participation from the market. Okay, so what are we expecting? The market needs to overcome this support level. Let me pick this level. Yeah, needs to overcome almost 25,000. So this is what I'm expecting from the market. Let me change it to red so I can be obvious. Yeah, it's taking it. So you expect the market to overcome, to violate this level, move a little bit higher, then any retracement will be better. If this level is strong or is weak, we're going to know later on. Let's see what happens, but the market needs to overcome 25,000. Any pullback and any subsequent reversal will be what we'll be looking at. But for now, the market is looking promising. Market is looking promising. We have better participation and ending positive. So I just need the breadth to be positive. Having more stocks ending positive. That's what we need now. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly is still fresh. The week is still fresh. Last weekend ended in indecision. With indecision, we started positive today. So let's, yeah, as we said the other time, the market needs to overcome this level. In terms of weekly data, it needs to overcome at least this level, this resistance, the swing high here. Then any pullback is what we'll be looking at in terms of medium term. But the short term, which is daily, where it needs to overcome is at 25,000. Then we look at a pullback. Okay, that's what we have for the week is still young. We look ahead for end of the month, end of the week. All right, let's go to the sector and review all the sectors all together for us before we go into individual sectors. Indexes sector, yeah. On the Nigerian Stock Exchange website, we have 5 sectors, but on this website, I can only see 5, which are insurance. So insurance is leading here. This is the general market. The OSHA index is the blue color. This is the consumer goods turning up again today. The yellow, it's oil and gas making lower low, and this is the banking also turning down. However, when I look at another website, Financial Times, we have the 5 first sectors complete, with the industrial leading, not this, followed by insurance. Industrial is not on this website, so it's not giving us a complete picture of the Nigeria Stock Exchange. So industrial is leading from the beginning of the year. Looking at this January 1st, let me go back to January 1st. Yeah, the same thing. So it's leading, gaining almost 15%, followed by insurance about 5%. Then we have others coming between. This is oil and gas. Oil and gas. We have, this is banking, and the last but not the least is what is this one? Consumer goods. Is it consumer goods? Consumer good coming last from the beginning of the year, but it's turning. It's looking promising short term, as we've seen. As we've been looking at it since last week, it's looking promising. So the stocks there should be on watch out. People should watch them out to seize the opportunity. Insurance also is looking great. So insurance and consumer goods. I think let's go. Yeah, with the industrial. These 3 sectors should be on our watch list. All the stocks there. Okay, now let's look at the sectors one after the other. Starting with insurance. Let's go to the data, not the group. Where is the insurance sector? Insurance 10, right here. Okay, so what happened today? Yeah, today we have indecision. Market was rejected last Friday with bears coming in heavily, but today the bears started dragging down, then bulls came in again to rescue the market, and at the end of the day it was indecision because the bears also came in towards the end of the market, and it ended in decision. So for insurance, it's not looking bad in terms of short term, but it's making low. Short term is making low, not good. It's not good. Let's see the weekly. This is, it might be dragging down. Insurance stocks in insurance might be going down. We need to see. We have indecision today, so tomorrow we determine if market can break this level, break this top, the swing high here at 132. That will be better. We have more increase than any pullback, but for now, to me, it's looking that it's making lower low than lower high, so not very attractive for now, short term. And in terms of medium term, it's not not bad because we have a higher highs, and yet to make it any low. So finger cross. Medium time is not looking bad at all. It's looking good medium time, but in terms of short time, As you see on the daily, it's not good at all. On the monthly not looking fantastic because this one is sending as rejection. So if after tomorrow we need to look at the data again, if it ended like this, then July we might not be favorable. So we can have something like this down to 124. Short term, we need to overcome this level, not good. Medium term is okay, but long term it's not looking fantastic as well. Insurance, if you are in insurance, you need to wash out, you need to keep watching your portfolio and keep the risk level low. All right, let's go to the next sector. Okay, let's see individual stocks in that sector, especially AIICO. Somebody asked that we should look at it. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the markets. No, this is not insurance, that's banking. Why is not? Oh, am I there? Is that what I'm open? Okay. The insurance. I think this is insurance 10. All right. Okay, it's coming up now. Yeah. What's this color? That is Law Union. Law Union is leading the group. It's leading the group. I eliminated some of them because they are 0.2, 20 cover. So we don't need that. The first, this one is Massad. Massad is not looking great as well. Let me remove it. Let me keep this name. Name should be there. Prestige. Let me see. It's making, yeah, Prestige looking good. Prestige looking good. This yellow color is AIICO. AIICO is making lower highs. So it's not looking, in terms of AIICO, not looking fantastic to me for now. Let me remove some of them so that we have fewer data. Custodian, yes, custodian. It's making lower. Let me remove it. Costing, just flat. We don't need you. Okay. The light blue is the sector. So most of the, let me clean it up. I think this one is making lower as well. That is Law Union. Law Union is making low, so it's not looking good. All right, so we have AIICO. That's AIICO. AIICO is making lower high, but the gold 10 is not making low, but we have this level has to be broken first. But the one that's looking more promising is this one here. What's insurance? This Prestige? Yes, Prestige is looking good. 51 cover. Prestige, and this one is WAPIC. Yes, WAPIC, the blue one, Cornerstone Insurance is looking flat. I don't like it. It's looking flat, but it's making high. And it's making higher low. Not bad. But what's the value? 50 cover as well. Let me remove that. Okay, let's see these few ones. This is good. This one is a WAPIC. Need to watch out for that. WAPIC and Prestige. WAPIC, Prestige. There's this light yellow. Light yellow is name. those are these three. These three looks promising. These three look promising. Tomorrow we'll review all these three stocks. AIICO, to me, it's making lower high one, but yet to make lower low. So it's in between. It's in between. So we need to see if it breaks this low, then might be going lower. Insurance not looking bad at all. This four particularly, we need to watch them out. If you are interested, that's AIICO. The next one, WAPIC, name, Prestige. Let me see. Marcel making a lot low. Accounting, insurance just flat. Custodian. Not looking good for now, but can keep watching it. This one is software insurance. All right, that's the fourth one. Let's go to the next another sector. Let's go to the banking. Seems something interesting is happening in the banking sector. We saw most of them making 5 active stocks, the 5 top active stocks today. So something interesting might be happening there. Are they going down or moving up? All right, this is FCMB. FCMB continues to impress the market, going higher highs, and followed by these are the tier 2 actually. Tier 2 markets, followed by Wema Bank. Wema Bank is coming to this support level to test the support level. Is going lower. Then we have the light green. That should be Fidelity Bank. Fidelity Bank just about to make a lower low, but it's making high highs already. So we look at the dates. It didn't make 5 moves active today, so it's not on the list of the stock we want to review actually. So 3 of them are beating the market, and only one is lower than the banking sector. Let's see some other stocks there. Let's see Access, UBA just make lower low. ZENITHBANK. Let me remove the tier 2 so that the chart will be clearer. FCMB, okay. UBA first. Yeah, UBA is making a low. Zenith is a bit flat, but looks like it's a bit up today. IBTC, nah, going low. Access Bank is flat. We look at the data. Does it make 5 active, most active? No. Okay, that's just that for the banking sector. It's only the tier 2 that are making the wave. The bigger ones are either flat or going down. So we have the insurance, consumer goods. Since date, let's start from beginning of the year. It's lower than the market, and it's flat today. So it's flat today. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Oh, we're looking at the stocks there. These are the stocks and the consumer goods sectors. So this is Dangote Sugar making a low, not good. Before Dangote Sugar, we have this Champion just rose today. Oh yeah, that's one of the stocks that make 52-week low last week. No, it can't be because it's been rising. Nah, I'm not sure for what I just said. Okay, but let's see the data actually instead of the sectors. Uh, banking, banking is not looking good today. It's down with almost the same volume that it went up last week Friday. In terms of medium term view, where are we? So we're looking at possibility of the market testing where the volatility is at 276. So banking might still be going down. We just start the week and the bears are taking control. Last week was a rejection. So yeah, why not? Yeah, the week is yet to end, but in terms of the daily, data, it's making lower low, and lower high. So we are at a support level. We just violated the support level. It's going lower, so it might be visiting this particular level. I'll be visiting from here to 70. That's the banking. So as we saw in the data, the tier 2 are making waves in the banking sector. Oil and gas, let's look at the index, not the individual sector. Insurance, how am I looking at? Yeah, that's bank again. I think I missed them up. Insurance, I missed them up. Okay. All right. So just okay. Nothing to really report. And we saw 4 insurance companies that are looking promising, and in terms of banking, not looking good. Okay, let's look at the stocks that are most active today. Let's go to the stock that are most active and see what is happening there. Look at Guarantee first. Guarantee Trust Bank. Why do we have more investors looking into Guarantee today? What happened today? Oh, it fell. So what is happening to Guarantee Trust Bank? Well, it's coming to value points. In terms of the daily, this is where the next support is at 21, almost 22, 21.90. Well, the market reject this level. Let's see the in terms of Fibonacci retracement. What level is that? That's 30, almost 38.2%. Almost 38.2 fib level. 38.2 fib level. Not bad. If there is any pullback, any reversal can occur there, but will there be any rejection? Let's wait and see. But for now, the market is going down. Let's see what the weekly is saying. Yes, 21.91 is possible, but this is where liquidity is. Most of the time, price reverses at liquidity. That's about 20, let's say 21. So it can reverse at 21.91 up to 20.82. So Guarantee Trust Bank is falling. It's falling. Still more room to fall. Today's volume, let's see today's volume. A bit lower than Friday. A bit lower than Friday. Okay, so we have 32 up to 50% fib level. We keep an eye on that. Let's go to the next most active. That's First Bank. What's First Bank? What happened to First Bank today? Today, this is weekly, daily data. Yeah, we have bullish and gold today, which is not bad. It's not bad. However, what I need to say is for the bank to overcome this swing high. If this swing high can be, if the price can rally above the swing high, then any pullback with rejection will be good to go for it. In terms of volume, what happened to volume today? Higher than last Friday and Thursday altogether. That's good for the market because the price going down with low volume now. Higher volume coming in, that's about 17 million. 17 million. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's it can rally. It can rally. Possibility of rallying to above the swing high is still there, but if the momentum, if the bank keep the momentum going, we can see first bank rallying up. But looking at what the sector is saying, the sector generally is going down, so it will struggle. For me, I think first bank will struggle to overcome this level. So it's a risk. It's risky for you to buy this any stock from that sector, though it will move up. If it's ready to go up, it will be gradual, and then when it gets to a support, it will struggle really if the sector is going down. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one on the list is ZENITHBANK, also from the banking sector. ZENITHBANK. Do we have Zenith? Yes. ZENITHBANK. What happened to ZENITHBANK today? Positive or negative is indecision. Indecision. Both bulls and bears unable to make decision where to take the price to. Let's see the volume. The volume a bit higher than Friday. Is not bad, so you might see tomorrow might be high, going up again. But as we saw with the first bank, it needs to overcome this level. As I mentioned earlier, with the sector, banking sector going down, I think the stock will find it difficult to overcome this level. We wait and see, but what we want to see is for ZENITHBANK to rally above that swing high, then any pullback with rejection will be of great value to buy. On the weekly, what's the weekly saying? Last week was a bullish rejection, which is not fantastic, but this week, as at Monday today, this rejection, so possibility of the stock coming to visit this level is high. Coming to visit the week at 1588 is high, with the volatility resting at almost 15 points. So still a difficult thing to make, decision to make, but if the whole market is going down, I see the market ZENITHBANK coming down to 15 naira, either 16 from 15 to 16 naira. That's the range to watch out for ZENITHBANK in terms of medium time. In terms of long time, let's see ZENITHBANK in terms of monthly. Yeah. In terms of monthly, this is where liquidity is. This at 1432, and the week is resting at almost is it 16 or 15? Let me see the data. The value of the 1594, almost 16. So it's resting between 1432 long time and 16 naira. That is ZENITHBANK. Let's go to the next one. The next one will be LASACO. LASACO, why are you active today? This is monthly data. It got rejected around It got rejected in March, so the price, yeah, this looks good. For a long time, I think LASACO is a good bet. 24 kobo, 24 kobo. So it's still making low. Let's see the weekly. The weekly is saying the actual entry should be 22 kobo. What happened today? That's what we are interested in. Oh, it got rejected, but still close at the open. So no gain, no loss. Just move higher, then came back to where it opened from at 75 kobo. However, I think the value is at 22 kobo. The value to buy LASACO is at 22 kobo. It's at 22 kobo really. Okay, LASACO. So what happened to the volume? The volume. Oh, okay, that's it. I think guys, fear indecision. It ended with indecision for today, and yeah, LASACO is between 24 kobo and 22 kobo. 22 and 24 kobo. That's where the value is from the chart. That's what the chart said for LASACO. Excuse me. Where's the last one for UBA? The last one for the most active is UBA. Why is UBA active today? So it ended negative. It ended negative, so creating a bearish angle. Not looking good. Not looking good for the stock. In terms of short term, is at a support level presently, but I think the stock might still visit 6 naira shortly. On weekly, what's happening? What's the stock? I mean the value to watch out for. The level to watch out for. I think this level is not. It's not looking bad. Almost 6 naira. But this where liquidity is. Liquidity is at almost 550 to 530. That's where liquidity is on weekly. I think monthly will almost be the same. Monthly is a bit lower, 5 naira. Monthly is here as well. It's about 6 naira, but if this level is not holding, then 5 naira, 4, yeah, 5 naira. 5 naira is for long time, for UBA. UBA it's making lower low, so I'm not looking at attractive at all. And it got rejected today. So possibility of the markets going lower is there. What's the volume today? Is it bigger? Yeah, bigger than Friday and Thursday, even last week Wednesday. That's 9.69. Today's I think 9.7. 9.7. So it has higher possibility of going down further. Okay, let's go to AIICO. AIICO, as we saw from the insurance, is creating lower highs. So lower high is not good for any stock. However, it's not making lower low yet, so that's good as well. So at 90 at night. So yesterday it got rejected, and today's dragging lower. So we must see AIICO coming a bit down to 85 kobo. It might come to 85 kobo. That's where the support is now. On the weekly, the support is at almost at 85, but the liquidity is at 84 kobo. Liquidity is at 84 kobo. So watch out for AIICO at 85, 85. No, this is 80, 87, 84 to 87 cover. 84 to 87 cover. But for monthly, in terms of monthly as it as 80 kobo to let's say 75 kobo to 80 kobo. That's for long term. That's for long term. In terms of monthly data, the data is not looking fantastic for monthly. Uh, Yet it's getting rejected. It's definitely, if it's ended like this tomorrow, we see on the monthly the stock is will be going down. It should be going down. So that is AIICO long term not looking good. So we might see the price coming down to even 70, 75 kobo. It might get to 75 kobo if the market ended in rejection by tomorrow, which is the last day of the month. Okay, so what do we have again? I think we've looked at the five most active stock and also added AIICO to it. LASACO, we've looked at that. We've looked at a UBA, ZENITHBANK, First Bank, and Guarantee Trust Bank. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we've come to the end of today's presentation. Looking at what happened at the floor of the Nigeria Stock Exchange today. If you have any comment, please drop it below. If you have any stock you want me to look at, also drop it on your comment and I will take time to look at it tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, I see you tomorrow. Bye.